Tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Jose. I hail from India, to be precise, southern part of India, Kerala. Currently, I'm doing my master's in environmental engineering from the University of Malombo. I did my bachelor's degree in agriculture engineering, and I was graduated in the year 2019. After my graduation, I was fortunate enough to be placed as trainee in groundwater department of Government of India. I belong to a family which comprises of 4 members. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a teacher, and my brother is an engineer. Basically, I'm a person, who is passionate in reading, and I believe that my skill have improved my life a lot, and which consequently helped me throughout my life.
Alright. Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? Also, what challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
Yeah, I remember that time when I got a chance to work in a diverse team. It was on my first sem doing my master's degree program, and my colleagues were from different parts of the world, and we were assigned to propose an innovative idea to make use of renewable energy resources to meet the rising energy demand. And communication skill or group discussion was most important challenge that I faced during that time, because we were from different branches, so it was so difficult for us to convince our ideas. So we have conducted so many group discussions, but we couldn't make a proper solution. And during that time, we got less marks for our first assignments. After that, I have tried my best to improve my communication skills, and I have tried to interact with them. Gradually, I become more confident enough to interact with them by conducting more meetings, and we could score more marks in final assignments. Yeah, it was the most difficult time when I got a chance to work in a diverse team.
Alright. Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or a productive outcome?
Yeah, it was during 2019, I think. I got a training in farm machinery department of International Crop Research Center. I was responsible for the farm maintenance and repair of implements, and they gave me a challenge to improve the efficiency of tapioca harvester. Then I did a detailed study of the tapioca harvester and the working technology of existing harvester, and I tried by contributing my ideas, and I tested so many times until it gets more efficiency. The working technology of that harvester was merely based on the digging action, so I have introduced an oscillatory motion along with the digging action to improve its efficiency, and I was successful in it, and I could improve its efficiency more than 80%. And some of my seniors gave me compliments, and they have selected my idea to incorporate in a new design, and they have launched that product in the market. And it was a dream come true moment for me, because my idea was selected as an efficient design. Yeah, that's it.
Do you have any questions for us?
What will be the technical role when I got a chance to work in your team?